Police car wiper trouble.
I'll be right there. Where is the rain come from? No. My wiper is broken. I can see anything. I need to get this fixed.
Welcome. This is Tinkerbot Repair Shop. How can I help you?
My wiper is broken when I was on an emergency call, so I can't see in the rain.
Oh, that not good. Let's get you fixed up. Please wait in front of the shop.
Okay, thanks.
Let's see.
Oh.
Aha! A twig caused the trouble. I'll straighten the bent parts and replace the broken wiper. There, all set. But wait, your window needs fixed too. Time to clean up now.
Yes, I need it.
I'll spray water first. For bubbles now. And rinse. Time to dry off. Let's add some shine.
Shining, shining, sparkle and shining.
Thanks! Even the bird likes my new look.
You are completely clean now. Ready to back to action?
Wow, it's perfect! Thank you, Tinkerbot.
You're welcome. Be careful. Stay safe.
Will do. Bye!
Goodbye. Take care.